Understanding, Check Your Balance, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in English, check your balance. Whether you're a beginner or advancing in English, understanding such phrases is crucial in everyday conversations. So, let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it in different contexts. Check your balance is a phrase made up of three important words. Let's break it down. Check. This verb means to examine or look at something carefully. Your. This is a possessive pronoun, indicating that something belongs to or is related to you. Balance. In this context, balance refers to the amount of money in a bank account. However, the word can have different meanings in other situations. In a financial context, check your balance is a common phrase used to suggest looking at how much money you have in your bank account. This is important for budgeting. Knowing how much money you have can help in planning expenses. Avoiding overdrafts. Ensuring you don't spend more than what's in your account. For example, before making a big purchase, it's wise to check your balance to make sure you have enough funds. Outside of finance, balance can mean physical stability or an even distribution of weight. So, in a different context, check your balance could mean ensuring you're physically stable, like in yoga or when standing on one leg. Making sure things are in harmony, like work-life balance. Remember, understanding the context is key to comprehending the meaning of the phrase. English learners might confuse check your balance with similar phrases. Here's what not to mix it up with. Check the balance. This is more impersonal and might refer to checking any account, not necessarily yours. Balance your check. This isn't a common phrase in English and could be confusing. And that's a wrap on Check Your Balance. We hope this video has shed light on this versatile phrase and you feel more confident using it in different situations. Remember, language learning is all about understanding the context and practice. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.